Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily find your reposted videos on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up TikTok app. Then if you like some video and if you want to share this video with your friends, you can tap at that share icon and then hit add repost. Now it says that you reposted that video, and now you can hit where it says you reposted right there. And now you can add a comment to that video. Just tap where it say something, and now you can left a comment. I'm just gonna put in test comment and then hit on send. All your friends will be able to see that comment, and all users all over that TikTok as well. And now if you want to find all the videos that you have ever reposted on TikTok, you should tap at profile icon, and then at that bar just search for that two arrows icon. You can tap on that, and that shows you all the videos you reposted on TikTok. In any time you can watch all these videos, and if you want, you can remove any videos that you reposted. You can just open up the video, hit add share icon, and then hit add remove repost. Then confirm it, and that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.